it's all about relationship. Okay, in Chinese itself, I mean, my grandfather come from China, right? So yes, and we are able to speak a bit English and a bit Chinese, and with that itself, we're able to engage both the east, the west and the east together, right? So for us Chinese, we talk. It's very important for integrity of doing business. We say what we mean, and we can able to feel what the Chinese shipyards going through, and we are able to deliver to us as well. So we are able to deliver good quality products for this market.
Well, I'm from CTech Solutions. We are designers of vessels. The vessels do not have any bound. I mean, they travel all over the world. Marintec is an exhibition which is the biggest in the world, the biggest maritime event in the world. And if you're not here, you do not know, you're not in this market. So I think it's very important for anyone to attend Marintec as one of the key exhibitions for maritime in the world.
We have our Chinese company that deals directly with the local Chinese companies, and as well as the Singapore company that supports the Chinese company in terms of the QA/QC, in terms of the technology, and this helps us to complement each other in expanding our business not only in the China market as well as the international market.
SOPEX Innovation is specialized in LED integrations technologies, and our key product is the LED solutions. We have a factory, our own factory and R&D centers. We design everything in-house, and we are been working with the Japanese, Americans, Europeans, and we are very concerned about qualities, and we have been doing a lot of innovations improvement over the years.
The future of the Singapore marine industry is challenging but yet promising. I can see a lot of ship owners and supplier chains are coming back very strongly, especially for those who resides the resilience of COVID. And we definitely are here to stay and here to survive with even better outlook out there. So also with new trend of sustainability and lower carbon footprint. So a lot of supply and a lot of businesses are going towards that trend, and this definitely has added up more value for the future marine industry.
Okay, actually, personally, I was originally from China. I used to be the marketing manager of COSCO Shipyard Group about 15 years ago, and 15 years ago, I own representative on behalf of COSCO Shipyard Group to introduce a bunch of offshore engineers back to China, help COSCO Shipyard Group to develop their offshore business. And in about 7 years ago, I was mobilized to Singapore, and the initial target is to set up an engineering team to develop this topside module engineering business, because in Chinese yard, this kind of technology is still is some sort of shortage of Chinese yard. So my initial aim is to use the engineering capabilities in Singapore, and then help Chinese yard to develop the topside module business in Chinese yard. But unfortunately, at that time, the offshore business is not so good. So occasionally, I found the LNG fuel supply system, which is used for those ships using LNG as a fuel. That this market got potential, and LNG fuel supply system technology is just a tiny, very small part of topside module technologies. So I switched a little bit about our company's focus from offshore to marine equipment, mainly supply those LNG fuel supply systems for those ships. They are going to use LNG as fuel. So nowadays, actually, our company's strength is that we leverage the engineering capabilities in Singapore. We have about 15 Singaporean engineers in Singapore. And then after they design our system, and then we package in China, and then we provide this system to the shipyards in China. You know, nowadays, a lot of, I think, large quantity of the new buildings are built in Chinese yard. So China definitely is one of our target market. So I think this is a very good combination. Singaporean technology, Chinese production capabilities, and then we also got the Chinese project management team in China, who also originated from the major Chinese offshore yard. So besides the high quality Singaporean engineering capability, we also adapt what we call offshore standard project management to ensure our quality to meet ship owners' requirements. And I should say that there are not so many marine equipment providers. They can use this kind of what we call oil and gas offshore standard to provide the marine equipment to our clients.